Hi, my name is Ivan Leonardo Rodriguez. I talk about centroids and center of gravity. Today is June 14. The teacher of the class is Hector Dusan. And first I'm going to talk about centroids. A centroid is a weighted average like the center of gravity, but weighted with a geometry property like area or volume, not a physical property like weight or mass. This means that centroids are properties of pure shapes, not physical objects. They represent the coordinates of the middle of the shape. If the shape has an axis of symmetry, every point on the side of the axis is mirrored by another point equidistant on the other side. One has a positive distance from the axis and the other is the same distance away in the negative direction. These 2 points will add to zero the numerator, as will every other point making up the shape, and the first moment will be zero. This means that the centroid must lie along the line of symmetry if there is one. If a shape has multiple symmetry lines, then the centroid must exist at their intersection. What we did was take a shape with a triangle and two rectangles, one small and one large, and with each shape we find its areas, making the sum of areas at the end and the center of each one. Then the area was multiplied by the centroid in y and x, and with these values we also add up and find the total centroid of the shape. To check if the centroid is correct, it can be tested by balancing it on a pin or a needle. And now the center of gravity, like the centroid, is an average location of weight of an object, but we can completely describe the motion of any object through space in terms of translation of the center of gravity of the object from one place to another, and the rotation of the object about its center of gravity if it is free to rotate. Thank you.